Welcome back guys to this channel. In this video, I'll show you how to make a journal to sell on Etsy. So first go to Canva. You can search here for a planner or journal. And then they will show you different templates available in Canva. And then you can just choose any kind of style or design you'd like to use. But make sure that you edit everything, you modify the design so that you can sell it on Etsy or any shop like Etsy. So for example, we've chosen this. Just click customize the template. And then from here, you can now edit the design. You can edit the text, the shapes, the colors. You can also add other elements or change the color of the elements. You could also duplicate the pages, and then when you're done, click share and then click download. Make sure that you choose PDF print and then click download. And then just wait for that to download. And then you can now upload it to Etsy or any similar online shops, and that's it. That's how you sell journal on Etsy. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please do like this video and subscribe to this channel.